Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Soren Paape, one of the owners of Smile Now Dental Group. If you've been researching tooth replacement options, you've probably come across snap-in dentures. And maybe you're wondering, how much do snap-in dentures cost? Are they affordable? And what exactly is included in the price? In this video, I will break down the true cost of snap-in dentures, what factors influence price, and how we make this treatment affordable and accessible here at Smile Now, even without insurance. Let's get into it. Before we talk numbers, let's quickly go over what snap-in dentures actually are. Snap-in dentures, also called implant retained dentures, are a hybrid between traditional removable dentures and full dental implants. They snap onto 2 to 4 implants that are placed strategically into your jaw. They're more secure than regular dentures, but they're still removable for cleaning and sleeping. They provide better chewing power, comfort, and confidence. They're a great choice for people who want more stability than traditional dentures, but aren't quite ready for a permanent full arch implants. Now, regardless, full fixed implants are always going to be top of the line, but sometimes patients can't afford them or have other life situations where they might not be able to go that route. So how much do snap-in dentures cost without insurance? That's the big question. Well, here's the average national picture. A single arch of snap-in dentures with 2 to 4 implants typically range between $8,000 and $16,000, depending on the provider, the materials, and the complexity of the case. At Smile Now Dental Group, our pricing is simple and transparent. $8,999 per arch includes 4 dental implants, custom snap-in denture, abutments and attachment components, follow-up visits and adjustments, and sedation during the treatment. There's no hidden fees, no surprises. And if you choose to do both the upper and lower arch, we typically will bundle the treatment to provide more cost savings for you. When comparing prices, it's important to understand what goes into the final cost. Number of implants. Some clinics only place 2 implants per arch, but we typically place 4 for much more stability at no added charge. Sedation and surgery fees. At Smile Now, surgical placement and sedation are already included into your quote. Most offices do not include this in their quote. Lab work is in-house here, so that keeps our costs down and allows for a fast turnaround. The experience and quality of the treatment is one of the most important things that you should be looking at. Your implant provider and quality of the denture materials matter significantly for the longevity. I fix a lot of cases that patients get done at other offices because they don't ask how long the doctor's been doing this procedure. If the doctor's only placed a handful of dental implants, I would definitely look at a more experienced office like Smile Now, where we vet all of our clinicians to ensure that they've been doing this for a long time and have a lot of treatment under their belt. Some offices advertise cheap dentures, but don't include key components like the implants, the snaps, or the follow-ups. Make sure to look at that treatment plan and ensure that everything's included in there so that you don't have unexpected bills later. We don't do that here at Smile Now. We know that full mouth restoration is a big investment. That's why we offer several ways to make it affordable. First, free consultations. Your first visit includes 3D scans, an exam, and a full breakdown of your options at no added cost. Most clinics are charging $200 to $300 for this consultation. Next, we use an in-house lab, so everything happens right here under one roof. No referrals, no delays, no double billing. Next, we do flexible financing by working with trusted third-party lenders to offer low monthly payments that we ensure to fit your budget. We have transparent pricing, so what we quote is what you're going to pay. There's going to be no upsells, no surprise fees. Our goal is simple: to help you get the care you need without the financial stress. If you're comparing prices, you might be wondering, why not just go with regular dentures? Well, here's the difference. Traditional dentures often slip or move when you eat or speak. They can irritate your gums. They typically require adhesives, and they do not prevent bone loss over time. Whereas snap-in dentures stay in place securely, they give you better chewing power, about 60%. They preserve more of your jawbone when those implants integrate with the bone. They feel more like natural teeth, and they let you smile, laugh, and eat confidently again. So while snap-in dentures might have a higher cost upfront compared to regular dentures, the value and quality of life, comfort, and oral health is massive. So if you're ready to replace your dentures or finally feel confident about eating and smiling again, snap-in dentures could be your solution. Make sure to click the link in the description to schedule your free consultation at Smile Now Dental Group. We're going to walk you through all your options, give you clear pricing, and build a plan that fits your smile and your budget. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more expert answers on dental implant and tooth replacement options. I'll make sure to see you in the next video.